A very good morning to everyone. Respected President or Chairman of today's Freshers Meet, respected Principal, Eastern Karbianglong College, Dr. Anil Chandradas, respected Chairman of Pokasan Block Education, Mr. Sardeli Bey, my loving professor, assistant professor, teaching staff and non-teaching staff, my dear student and my dear freshers. First of all, I thank the principal of this college for giving me this opportunity and inviting me to be the chief guest of today's freshers. And I'm very glad in getting this opportunity and to be with you all. But before my short speech, I would like to congratulate to all the HSLC and HS, those who pass out with flying colors during the last examination. And I, on these occasions, once again welcome to all the freshers present here today. I wish you all a wonderful and prosperous journey ahead in this institution. When we talk about freshers, it's generally come to our mind as something new or something that we don't know before. So Freshers Day is the day in which we introduce to each other and make a companionship from being stranger. Thus, Freshers Day is always a memorable day to all of us. While standing among you here today, it's remind me of my youthful days when I attended my first day of college in Shillong with full of enthusiasm and aspiration. Like you all today, my dear friends, the moment you have become a part of it. Now as you have been welcomed, it is up to you to shoulder the responsibility of giving name and fame to the institution. I would like to request our freshers to treat this as your home and family. And now sitting out there, who knows that a doctor, engineer, professor, and great politician will be from among you all. My dear student friends, I would also like to suggest you to dream high and make word of the knowledge you gain from this college. It is found that it is most of your youth we are often confused in choosing our career. There are once intents of such where I have found that a student pursuing in art stream is saying his aim in life is to become a doctor. So dear friends, don't be like that person. You need to choose your career wisely when you are in art, and you have the diversity of choosing your career path. But studying in science stream will also limit your scope. Apart from becoming doctor, engineer or scientist, you can also become an administrator by appearing in UPSC, APSC or other competitive examination. So my dear friend, you need to push yourself beyond the limit to establish yourself as a successful person.